Holden Commodore. The CV6 was the baseline sports variant. The CV6 features include 3.6-liter 190 kW Alloytec high-output V6, 6-speed manual transmission, air conditioning, anti-lock braking system, auto headlights, brake assist, CD player, cruise control, drivers and passengers airbag, side airbags added from late 2005, electronic brake force distribution, FE2 sport suspension, front fog lamps, front and rear power windows, independent rear suspension, limited slip differentiation, leather steel steering wheel, power antenna, security system, sports body kit and rear spoiler, traction control system, trip computer, 17-inch alloy wheels, leather upholstery, sunroof,